away, away from men and towns, to the wildwood and the downs, to the silent wilderness where the souls need not repress its music. Earth is the only beautiful planet where life exists. Mother Earth is our home. Earth has given us every comfort and necessity of life. It takes care of everyone just like a mother. We often forget that the greatest wealth is nothing but the gift of nature, the gift of Mother Earth. The earth will not continue to offer its harvest except with faithful stewardship. We cannot say we love the land and then take steps to destroy it. The theme for Earth Day 2021 has officially been declared as Restore Our Earth. It is all about reducing our environmental footprint and fixing the damage we have already done. The year 2020 came as a surprise for all of us, and the condition around the world remains the same. The wild forest fires, destruction of biodiversity, COVID-19 pandemic, and so much more. What we are experiencing now is the impact of what we have done to Mother Earth. Nature has its wonders. When we stop and admire what it offers, when we get lost, when we feel short, when we forget, we have to constantly be reminded of the 5 R's: rethink, reduce, reuse, recycle, and respect. I'm proud to be an Eco Angel because it is not only about winning the crown, but also about making a difference. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of a difference you want to make. I show my advocacy by being a part of an environmental organization. I utilize all the opportunities to protect the environment by volunteering in campaigns like tree plantation, plastic collection, and cleanup campaigns. If more people engaged in such activities, we can expect a massive impact in the environment. After seeing the terrible consequences faced by our planet, what truly matters is that with our powerful collective voices and active determination, we could all be eco-angels and warriors in our own place. We dream of a place where humans and animals can live together in peace and harmony. I dream for all of us to work with nature rather than against it. I dream of that change. The biggest threat to this planet is the belief that someone else will save it. So on this occasion of Earth Day, let us all pledge to look after our planet and help make it a happier, healthier, and cleaner environment for us and for our future generations. Thank you.